Here I have OPPO A78 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the additional settings, then date and time. In date and time you can change time format from 12-hour to 24-hour. You can also adjust date and time manually if you disable set time automatically. Here you can change your date, here you can change your time. You can also change time zone by disabling set time zone automatically. Firstly, you can search for your time zone, just select from this list. And you can also enable dual clock, which will display one clock of your current region and the other clock of your home region. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.